Born in a small village named Sonand in Solapur district, Baba Saheb came from a family where survival meant relentless hard work. His father was a farmer and his mother worked tirelessly in the fields alongside him. With 7 sisters and 1 brother, life was not easy. The family lived in a small hut that struggled to withstand the monsoons. Nights were spent shifting from one corner of the house to another to avoid the dripping rain.
हम जिधर रहते थे एक छोटा ऐसा जो गांव में झोपड़ी जैसा बोलता है ना वो टाइप का हमारा घर था और वो बारिश में बहुत बारिश आता था, वो बहुत पानी पानी होता था घर में। तो हम सब भाई बहन पूरा चारों दीवार के बाजू में बैठते थे और रात रात कभी कभी ऐसा मैं याद आता कि अभी मैं सोया नहीं होगा कि वो ऐसा दिन था। माँ पिताजी बहुत कोशिश करते थे कि चलो इसको रिपेयर करें, लेकिन उनकी भी मजबूरी थी कि इतना सब लोगों को खाने पीने का ही बंदोबस्त, कपड़ा है और स्कूल का भी कुछ ये रहता था, वो सब करते थे। तो ये ऐसा संघर्ष चलता।
Despite their hardships, education was non-negotiable in their household. Baba Saheb's mother, though only educated till the 7th standard, believed deeply in the power of education. She instilled in him the fire to study and rise above his circumstances. Her unwavering belief became his foundation. As a child, Baba Saheb would accompany his mother to work on the village dam. There, he saw an engineer who commanded immense respect, arriving in a jeep, distributing wages to workers. That image planted a seed in his young mind. He wanted to be like that engineer. More importantly, he wanted to build houses that would never leak during the rains, so that no one would have to live as he did. His mother took him to a civil engineer in the taluka and inquired about the path to success. By the 6th standard, Baba Saheb had made up his mind. He would become a civil engineer and change not just his life, but the lives of many.
उधर एक जीप में एक ऐसा एक अच्छा पढ़ा लिखा आदमी आता था। तो मैंने माँ को पूछा ये कौन है, तो वो माँ ने बताया कि ये इंजीनियर है और इन्होंने सिविल इंजीनियरिंग किया है और ये इधर का बड़ा साहब है। और ये तो मैं उनको देखता था, वो जेब में आता था, एक बड़ा बैग पैसा भर के लेके आता था, बैठता था और ऐसा 400-500 लोगों का वो पगार करता था बैठ के। तो मेरे को लगा ये बहुत बड़ा आदमी होगा, तो इतना इसको कैसा रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है। तो माँ पढ़ी थी तो मैं जानकारी लिया कि ये क्या होता है सिविल इंजीनियर। तो उनका माँ का दिमाग में था कि सिविल इंजीनियर, उन्होंने वो सब गांव में कोई सिविल इंजीनियर नहीं था तभी, तो तालुका लेवल में एक सिविल इंजीनियर था। तो माँ ने वो मेरे को उनके पास लेके गया, वो कैसा पढ़ाई करने का क्या है। तो 6 स्टैंडर्ड में मेरे को लगा कि अपन सिविल इंजीनियर बनेंगे, क्योंकि सिविल इंजीनियर बड़ा बड़ा घर भी बनाता है। जो मेरा घर हमेशा बारिश में पानी पानी होता था, तो माँ को मैं बोलता था, छोटा रहता था कि माँ मैं बड़ा बनूंगा तो ऐसा घर बनाऊंगा तो ये कभी पानी इसमें नहीं आएगा, तेरे को परेशान नहीं होगी।
But financial constraints threatened to shatter his dream. With no money to pay the admission fees, Baba Saheb was ready to abandon his engineering aspirations. Yet, destiny had other plans. A teacher from his village, knowing his potential, went door to door and raised the required amount. With just 2 days left for admission, he received the funds and stepped into a new chapter of his life. Engineering was tough, but giving up was never an option. His parents continued working endlessly to support him. Inspired by their sacrifices, he promised himself that he would build a life where they would never have to toil again. After completing his diploma, Baba Saheb knew that staying in his village wouldn't fulfill his larger aspirations. He moved to Mumbai, staying with his sister in a small house in Mankhurd. He secured his first job at Quality Construction, earning 500 rupees a month. The struggle was real. He lived in bachelor accommodations, worked long hours, and sent most of his salary home. He later joined Ashoka Builders, where he worked relentlessly from a junior engineer to a project manager. His dedication saw him working 8 a.m. to midnight for years, climbing the corporate ladder. Despite the promotions, salary hikes, and professional recognition, he realized a job could only take care of his family's basic needs. It couldn't create a wider impact. That's when it struck him. Only through business could he truly serve a larger society, solve deeper problems, and uplift many lives beyond his own household. At 33, he started his first project, a 9-flat building in New Mumbai. With no capital, he turned to relatives, offered double returns and promised quality. The project was a success. He made a profit of rupees 24 lakhs. But more than the profit, it was the trust he earned that built his foundation. From then on, his business grew.
सर्विस करते करते एक 1.5 गुंठे का प्लॉट लिया, उसकी कीमत थी 3 लाख रुपये। तो मैं जाके पहला मीटिंग करके आया, बोला इसका कीमत है, एक प्लॉट की कीमत है 2 लाख, तो 1.5 प्लॉट का कीमत 3 लाख। तो मेरा दिमाग में आया था एक प्लॉट है 2 लाख बोला, तो मेरे को लगा 2 लाख में प्लॉट मिल जाएगा, लेकिन उन्होंने बताया ये तो कीमत 1.5 गुना ज़्यादा, हमारे पास इतना पैसा भी नहीं था। तो मैं वापस आया और जिनका ये प्लॉट था ये सीनियर सिटीजन थे, पूरा पैसा देगा तो ये नाम पर करके दे दूंगा प्लॉट। प्लस इतना तो पैसा नहीं होगा, 2 लाख का अरेंजमेंट हो जाएगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। उसके आगे के लिए हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगे। बोला टाइम तो मुश्किल है क्योंकि प्रॉपरली आपको नाम पर करके देना है, बच्चे नहीं मानेंगे। उसमें 1 महीना चला गया। अंकल आपने बुलाया तो बोला है मेरे बच्चों को मैंने पूछा है, बच्चों ने बताया ऐसा तो मत दो क्योंकि कौन क्या भरोसा आपको नहीं दिया तो क्या फ़ायदा, लेकिन मेरा दिल में आता है कि तुम दे देगा। मेरी ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत बिजनेस के एक भरोसे से हो गई। तो एक ही दिन 4 फ्लैट बुक हो गए 9 फ्लैट में, और उन्होंने 10-10 हज़ार टोकन दिया। दुनिया का सबसे अमीर आदमी तभी लगा था मैंने, वो कैश मिला था मेरे को। मैं घर नहीं गया, सीधा बस पकड़ के वो जिसका प्लॉट लिया था उसको घर में 8 बजे रात में पहुंच गए। तो बोला मैं कुछ पैसा लेके, बोला तो मैंने टाइम दिया था 6 महीना, तुम आराम से देने का था। मैंने बेटे को बता दिया। मैंने बोला कि 40,000 रुपये मिल गए, तो ये आपका 1 लाख बाकी है, उसमें से 40 आप ले लो। तो उनको मैंने 40 दे दिया।
9 flats became 125 became 500. His approach never changed. He saw people, not customers. He didn't sell homes, he fulfilled dreams. He opened bank accounts for those who never had one. He helped vegetable vendors, rickshaw drivers, and watchmen own their first homes. His purpose-driven work created a loyal base and strong word of mouth, far more powerful than any marketing campaign. More than 4,000 homes have been built under his leadership. He's proudest of the 500 homes sold to people who never thought they could afford one. That's real success. Today, his company is developing a 12-acre township with 4 BHK flats priced at rupees 2.5 crores. From a leaking hut to luxury homes, his journey is proof that purpose leads to prosperity. Success was never just about wealth. It was about impact. Having faced educational struggles himself, Baba Saheb founded Lakshmi Devi School, named after his mother. Starting with just 20 students, the school now educates over 1,000 children, many of whom receive free education. When the first batch graduated, he saw in their eyes the dreams he once held. Some of his students, once destined for early marriages, became engineers and professionals. He also built hostels for students who couldn't find safe, affordable housing in Mumbai. He didn't do it for profit. He did it because he had faced the same struggle. He didn't chase profit. He chased purpose. He simply wanted to solve problems. That became his business model. His story teaches us: solve problems first, profits will follow. Build trust, not just structures. Give back, because that's where fulfillment lies. Every problem carries an opportunity if you look deeper. Today, Baba Saheb's dream is to build 20,000 more homes in the next decade. His land bank is ready. His team is growing. His vision is stronger than ever. He never chased money. He chased meaning. And in doing so, money followed.
सर्विस करते टाइम मेरे को रियलाइज़ हो गया 13-14 साल में कि मैं मेरा परिवार का खाली पेट भर पा रहा हूँ। मैं परिवार के आगे कुछ नहीं सोच पा। मेरी सिस्टर आती थी, बोलती थी मेरे को 25,000 चाहिए, तो मेरे को पगार 50,000 था, पूरा सब संभालने का, घर को गाँव में भेजने का, इधर का परिवार देखने का, तो वो उसमें मैनेज नहीं होता। तो मेरे को लगा नौकरी में कुछ हासिल नहीं होंगे अपन, तो अपने को बिजनेस करना चाहिए। अगर बिजनेस करेंगे तो कुछ आगे का, कुछ अपन परिवार के आगे का थोड़ा सोचने का मौका मिलेगा।
From a young boy studying under a kerosene lamp to a visionary developer, this is not just the story of Baba Saheb. It's a lesson for all of us. When you move with purpose, the path appears. When you serve, success follows.